Question 1. You want to upload file from on-premise virtual machine to Google Cloud Storage as a part of a data migration. These files will be consumed by the Dataproc Hadoop cluster in GCP environment. Which command should you use? Option A, gsutil cp. Option B, gcloud cp. Option C, Hadoop fscp. Option D, gcloud dataproc cp. Here the correct option is option A, because to migrate data from the on-premise environment to the Google Cloud Storage, gsutil is the standard command line tool. So it is specifically designed to migrate the objects from on-premise system to the Google Cloud Storage and managing the Google Cloud Storage buckets and objects. So another option is B, which is not correct, gcloud cp. Basically gcloud cp is used to manage the Google Cloud resources, so this is not a correct option. Option C is Hadoop fscp. This command is used to transfer the files between Hadoop environment and from Hadoop environment to the Google Cloud Storage. But basically our on-premise system is a virtual machine. It is not specifically mentioned here that it is a Hadoop cluster or not. So this option is also not correct. Option D is a gcloud dataproc cp. So this is also not correct option, because this option is not for moving the files from on-premise system to the Google Cloud Storage.